The Indian subcontinent, home to one of the world's oldest civilizations, has a rich history spanning thousands of years. Today, we explore a crucial period in ancient India's past, the Vedic Age and the rise of its early dynasties. The Vedic Age, named after the sacred texts known as the Vedas, began around 1500 BCE and lasted for nearly a millennium. This era laid the foundation for much of Indian culture, philosophy, and religion that we recognize today. During this period, Vedic society developed a complex social structure known as the caste system. It divided people into four main groups: Brahmins or priests, Kshatriyas or warriors, Vaishyas or merchants, and Shudras or laborers. This hierarchical system would profoundly influence Indian society for centuries to come. The Vedic religion, precursor to modern Hinduism, emerged during this time. It centered around the worship of natural forces personified as deities, with elaborate rituals and sacrifices performed by Brahmin priests. The Vedas themselves, composed in Sanskrit, contain hymns, philosophical discussions, and guidance for religious ceremonies. As the Vedic age drew to a close, India entered a period of significant political and social change. This era saw the rise of powerful dynasties that would shape the subcontinent's destiny. One of the most notable early dynasties was the Maurya Empire, which reached its zenith under the rule of Ashoka the Great in the 3rd century BCE. The Mauryan period saw advancements in art, architecture, and governance. Ashoka's famous rock and pillar edicts spread across the Indian subcontinent, promoted Buddhist principles and social harmony. Several centuries later, the Gupta Empire emerged as another golden age in ancient Indian history. Ruling from the 4th to the 6th century CE, the Guptas oversaw a period of unprecedented cultural and scientific achievements. This era saw advancements in mathematics, including the concept of zero and the decimal system, as well as significant progress in astronomy, medicine, and metallurgy. The Gupta period also witnessed a flourishing of the arts. Sanskrit literature reached new heights with works by luminaries such as Kalidasa, while the caves of Ajanta and Ellora stand as enduring testaments to the era's artistic and architectural prowess. The Vedic Age and the subsequent early dynasties left an indelible mark on Indian civilization. The religious and philosophical ideas born in the Vedic period continue to influence modern Indian thought and practice. Meanwhile, the political, cultural, and scientific achievements of the Maurya and Gupta empires contributed significantly to India's rich heritage and its impact on global history. From its ancient roots to its dynamic present, India's journey through time serves as a testament to the enduring power of cultural continuity and innovation. The legacy of the Vedic Age and early dynasties continues to resonate, shaping India's identity and its place in the world today.